Revit has a specific command for creating ceilings. If we select the ceiling shown here in this cutaway view, we'll notice in the properties, in the type selector specifically, this is a 2 foot by 2 foot acoustic ceiling tile. We have the ability in the type selector dropdown to pick from different ceiling styles that have been predefined in the project. There's also a ceiling called a basic ceiling type, and that should typically not be used. It is not three-dimensional and tends to cause coordination issues. The compound ceiling types are similar to floors and walls that have been previously covered. They're multiple layers of construction, one at the least, but multiple layers of construction that define the ceiling plane. In the project browser, if we switch to a ceiling plan, spinning my wheel to zoom in, we can see the various ceilings that have been previously placed. On the Architecture tab is where we'll find the ceiling command. If we start the ceiling command, we have two options. Revit has the unique ability to fill an area with a ceiling and find the perimeter automatically. You'll notice in the stairwell, I wouldn't really want to actually place a ceiling here, but you'll see a red line show up indicating that Revit is finding a perimeter. It's important to note that whatever the current height is set at in properties is at the exact plane from the floor, in this case level 1, where Revit is looking for that perimeter. So it might find a bulkhead or a soffit. However, if the height is below that one of those elements, then it will go under that bulkhead or soffit. While we're in the place ceiling command, we can proactively set the ceiling type now, or once we're done creating the ceiling, we can swap it out with another option later. In addition to automatically filling a room with a ceiling based on the automatic ceiling option, we can switch to sketch ceiling, which allows us to draw manually the perimeter of the ceiling. You'll notice now we have the various draw tools appearing. We can click the X or the green check mark to cancel or finish that, and that's a quick look at the ceiling command.